Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 9th of May. The euro fell below the 130 level against the dollar, sliding as low as 129.65 from 130.59, as political uncertainty in Greece continues to weigh on market sentiment. Greece's left coalition party leader Tsipras, who is expected to form a new coalition government, warned yesterday that the country's commitment to European Union International Monetary Fund rescue plan had become null and void. His statement raised fears about the country's ability to avoid bankruptcy and stay in the Eurozone, as Greece needs to follow the necessary austerity measures in order to receive the next bailout money. World equities tumbled yesterday as the political uncertainty is causing a broader retreat from riskier assets. Also, German industrial production figures were released yesterday, which showed an unexpected jump to 2.8%, the biggest rise since July 2011. The US dollar strengthened yesterday on heightened risk aversion in the market. Against the safe haven Japanese yen, the greenback fell to 79.70 from 80.07. And in the absence of an intervention by the Bank of Japan, the yen remained strong as the political uncertainty in the Eurozone resumes. The Australian dollar plummeted against the dollar to 100.53 from 102.16, a 1.6% decline. Economic data further weighed on the Aussie after figures showed Australia's economy recorded a third straight trade deficit in March. This was lower than expected, and it was due to declining exports of coal and iron, while imports of crude oil jumped. While the Prime Minister Julia Gillard's plan is to return to a budget surplus, investors are concerned that the central bank may need to ease its monetary policy further. The Reserve Bank of Australia remains worried over the subdued housing market, slow growth, economic conditions in the Eurozone, as well as an economic slowdown in the country's largest trade partner, China. Looking at commodities, we saw oil edge lower to $95.51 a barrel from $97.93. Gold slid to $1,586.49 an ounce from $1,638.25. And against the euro, it edged lower to €1,234.34 from €1,255.48. Silver dropped to $28.89 an ounce from $30.06. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.40 with a preference to enter into short positions at 130.30. The dollar-yen pivot points at 80.10 with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.10. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 101.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.20. The sterling dollar pivot points at 161.70 with a preference to enter into short positions at 161.60. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9975 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9975. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot points at 95.55 with a preference to enter into long positions at 95.55. The gold pivot points at 1609 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1609. And the silver pivot point is at 29.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 29.50. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market mover is the US wholesale inventories forecast to gain 0.6%. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was down 1.78%, the DAX was down 1.90%, and the CAC was down 2.78%. In the US, the SP 500 was down 0.43%, and the Dow was down 0.59%. In Asia, at the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.39%, and the Hang Seng was down 0.76%. It's been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.